Search engines, digital advertising, and AI systems now influence nearly every online interaction, generating digital breadcrumbs that fuel an increasingly data driven economy. Each search query signals intent, helping platforms decode what people want, fear, or plan to purchase. These subtle behavioral cues feed algorithms that quickly steer online decisions. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Advertising has evolved from broad messaging to hyper targeted campaigns built on real time user data. Browsing is no longer passive. It now forms part of a monetized feedback loop that continuously profiles consumers. AI accelerates this shift by automating personalization at massive scale. Recommendation engines determine what users read, watch, or buy, shaping new exposure, shopping behavior, and entertainment choices. For businesses, this creates powerful advantages that is, sharper lead identification, predictive analytics, and higher ROI. A safety equipment company, for example, can track accident related searches to spot potential customers. For individuals, these breadcrumbs reveal behavioral preferences and interests, enabling convenience but raising serious concerns around privacy, manipulation, and opaque data use. In cybersecurity, digital traces help analysts understand incidents and respond effectively. As regulators push for transparency and responsible data use, search, ads, and AI continues to rewrite the digital economy, forcing society to rethink trust and true cost of personalization. Let's look into today's headlines. The Income Tax Department warns against fake emails asking for personal information. The Income Tax Department has issued a warning regarding fraudulent emails that ask for personal information by offering to download e-PAN cards. The advisory emphasizes that the department does not request sensitive data via email and urges citizens to avoid responding to such malicious emails or clicking on such fraudulent links. Recipients are also advised to report any phishing attempts to specified email addresses and to use antivirus and anti-spyware software to protect their devices. BSNL unable to issue new SIM cards or add new customers due to app glitch. Since the beginning of December 1st, state-owned telecom company BSNL is not able to provide new or duplicate SIM cards. This has affected the company as it is not able to add new customers. The problem is not restricted to one state but persists across the country. The core reason for the problem is a major outage of BSNL's Sanchar Aadhaar app, which is preventing people from activating their SIM cards or completing their KYC, that is, Know Your Customer registrations. Limit on AI and default search deals adds to Google's new antitrust penalties. Google has been directed by a US judge to limit its partnerships with smartphone and other smart device developers such as Apple and Samsung to 1 year when it comes to making its search engine or artificial intelligence app a default setting on the device. This latest move stems from the antitrust case that culminates in September with Google having to open up competition in online search by sharing more data with competitors without the need to divest Chrome. Apple Fitness Plus to debut in India on December 15th. Apple has confirmed that Apple Fitness Plus, its dedicated fitness and wellness subscription platform, will launch in India on 15th of December. The expansion is part of the service's largest global rollout since its introduction 5 years ago, extending access to 49 countries and regions. The service offers 12 workout types ranging from strength and yoga to Pilates, HIIT, dance, kickboxing, cycling, and meditation. The sessions span 5 to 45 minutes and can be accessed on iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV. Adobe and YouTube partner to bring faster and easier tools for creating shorts. Adobe has partnered with YouTube to simplify and speed up the creation of YouTube Shorts, which now attract over 200 billion daily views. Adobe Premiere's mobile app now includes a dedicated creation space for Shorts, offering templates, transitions, and effects for quick, polished videos. The companies say the new tools will help both beginners and experienced creators produce and publish shorts more easily and grow their audiences. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to Var India magazine. You can download the Var India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.